This is a review of 7-inch portable CarPlay monitor. It supports wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. It is touchscreen, power supplied by cigarette lighter, 5-volt, voice command, Bluetooth and reverse image. Here is the monitor. It has one car multimedia player, cigarette lighter charger, one mount, and user manual. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, AirPlay and Android Cast. It is 1024 and 600 resolution, hands-free function, built-in microphone, and multi-language and rear view camera. Let's go ahead and look at what we have inside. We have the quick guides. It shows you how you're gonna use it and install it. Let's take it out. Here is the bracket. You can just put it on the dashboard. You can adjust it however you want. And then let's look at the screen. Here is the screen. And you can put it like that. You see this area, you can press it and it's gonna lock. It is sticky. Here is the cigarette lighter charger with USB-C. And if you wanna use auxiliary cable, you can use it. If you wanna listen to your original radio speakers, you can use this directly. It's gonna do the connection. Let's look at the back area. There is speaker. You can turn it on here. We have micro SD card, audio jack input, and AV in. This is the Type C adapter place. You need to go to the Bluetooth section and find car kit, then connect it with the Bluetooth, and you're gonna see the screen. You see, you can go there, and phone, audiobooks, Zoom, messages now playing. And let's go back, and there is Android Auto. This is for CarPlay, phone link, FM transmit. Basically, you're using your original radio to connect if you have any music on this, and it's gonna transmit to radio. Then you can listen to music on your speakers. If you want to use your phone to listen to music, you can use the Bluetooth and then listen to it. And there is another option, AV in. You can switch to local speaker it has, or you can listen to music on your radio speakers, original radio speaker. Let's go back. And we have Bluetooth music. If you have SD card, you can listen to music or you can watch videos. If you have rear camera, you can also insert it and use it. We have the settings, basic setup, factory setup, equalizer settings, display settings. You can change the brightness. Let's go back. Also, there is language, time settings. I can suggest this because when you look at it, its brightness is very good, and you can do Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and you can transmit the audio with FM transmits. and it has SD card. If you have rear camera, you can also put it. There is one more thing. If you want to use USB-A input for charging, you can also use it. That's it.